Hey y'all, this is Carmen and I'm here with entry number 21. This comes from sweet Maryland. I'm going to start right here because I just want to let you know, honey, I went tonight and back to my Walmart market. I have not been to the promenade yet, the super center, but while I was out grabbing a couple of things, I decided to look for the confetti. And you had wanted 3, and guess what? That's all they had left. This stuff has gone. They had a whole rack of it. I wish I'd have got more the first time. But you got your 3, honey. So, just wanted to let you know that. I've taped this up because I wanted y'all to see how stinking cute this package is. And look at that Santa. And I'm going to do everything I can to save him. There's a little bit of stamping right there, but I might can clean that up. And then, of course, these cute little gingerbread men and little girl, boy and girl. I love them. And then she put a couple stars there and there. So let's see what she's got inside. I'm so excited. Oh, wow. Don't you love that Santa? Isn't he amazing? I love him. I'm going to do my best to save him, I promise. Oh, wow. Okay. We've got an amazing zipper pouch in blue. So, y'all are amazing. Y'all always pay attention. And it looks like, wow, girl, a ton of goodies. We've got some pretty light blue ribbon. And then some more with a little bit of sheer on it. That is so cute. And rickrack. Oh, I love rickrack. I just don't know why I don't buy it usually. But that is so pretty. She loaded this up with some blues. Oh, no, some little... Would that be confetti? A little bee. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. It's like a little bee and a little flower. That is so cute. I'm not sure if y'all can see that. Let's see. Can you see that? That's cute. Almost looks like confetti. And then some navy blue. This is one of my favorite shades. And then, ooh, some star ribbon. Love that. Ooh, that's unique. That's pretty. Thank you, sweetheart. Oh my gosh. I used to have this. Back when I was doing hair bows, I used to have this. It's so pretty. I loved it. I hate that I got rid of it, but I love it. Because it's got the teal, it's got the dark blue, and then it's got the light blue, and it's got the gray background. I just love it. Thank you, honey. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Uh-oh, I'm getting excited because I see something. Pretty little yellow and blue with the little yellow flowers. This is what I got excited about. Holy moly, it's gorgeous. That is so gorgeous. I don't know that I can use this on anything. I might have to hoard that one. That is so cute. Is this a die cut you did? Oh my gosh, I'm so in love. Oh, gorgeous. And then look at the beautiful butterfly. Oh my, she's just got so much. I'm going to have to go quick through this or it's going to take me forever. Oh my goodness, doll. Let me sit over here. Oh, sweetheart, thank you so much. Look at those. How beautiful. And she's got all these little small little pieces. Sweetheart, everything is gorgeous. Thank you. You did not have to send all this. None of y'all do. And I appreciate it so much. Look. That's so pretty. Let me see. I'm going to move this so we can take a peek at everything. Look at that. That is so pretty. You're going to hear that a lot. Oh, wow. I've never seen anything like that. Oh, wait. That's actually blue. Backside silver. That's blue. Can y'all tell the difference? Silver, blue. How cool. I wonder if some of these are, and I'm just not noticing. They are. I did not realize it until I had it in the right light that they are blue. I thought they were silver. Awesome. I love this piece. This is very like filigree style. Oh my goodness, I love all the flowers. Oh, and look at that. That's almost like, that's like a monarch butterfly, isn't it? Or is that kind of like a, I don't know. It's pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love all the sparkle on that one. Another little bee. These are so cute. Girl, thank you. I can so use these. I love all these little flowers. More of these. I love these. Oh, look at the bird on the branch. I love it. I might have to use that soon on a MD. Another butterfly. Oh, a gorgeous peacock. Look at that. That is so pretty. Well, that's odd because I kind of I want to turn it straight up, but the wording is sideways. And it's got a little stamp. That is so cute. More flowers, more birds. Gorgeous. Another gorgeous glittery butterfly. Oh my goodness. All these cutouts. They are amazing. I would not have anything like this. Ooh, look at that one. How awesome. Thank you, sweetheart. Oh my goodness. I'm just like beside myself because this is not something, I have not received anything like this. I have not purchased anything like this. Oh, that's pretty. That's doubled. That's awesome. Thank you for sharing with me. Yay. Y'all just overwhelm me. And it's hard because I just want to sit and just kind of look. And yet I know I'm like, you know, I'm time limited and stuff, but I'm just like, and then a part of me knows her talent too, so I'm kind of anxious to get in that bag right there. But yet I want to see all this. Oh, I love that one. Looks like some hydrangeas. Oh, some more sparkly. I think that might have. Oh, why? Not sure what happened there. Maybe I'm missing a piece. Might have to look for it. But I love all the sparkle, and that looks like hydrangeas. Love that. Love that one. And I can do so much with that and glitter that up. And I love that one. How pretty. These are amazing. Thank you, sweetheart. And I'm telling you, oh, I'm so in love with this. Oh my gosh. If this is a die cut, man, I mean, that is some serious layering. And I'm pretty sure it's a die cut. I'd bet money it's a die cut. But it's like 1, 2, 3 layers. And that is very detailed. Not sure. Can y'all see the purple in there? That is so thin and dainty. Oh, it's amazing. Absolutely gorgeous. That would take some time to do. So thank you, sweetheart. I appreciate that so much. Now, let's get into our goodies. I'm so excited, y'all. She is so gifted and so talented. And what pretty blue ribbon. Love that. Of course, y'all know I love anything that sparkles. All right, hold on. Let me make sure that we're not sharing anything personal. Dear Carmen, all along, I was thinking that your favorite color was wine or burgundy. No, it's just one of them. So I made your tag in those colors. Then I remembered that you were decorating your craft room in those colors. I feel bad because I have come to realize that blue is your favorite color. I wish that I could do more for you, sweetheart. Your friend Marilyn. Honey, first of all, it's not that I'm doing just, my colors in my craft are in that color just because. It's because I do love those colors. So, blue, pink, and burgundy are probably my top three colors. So first of all, never think you did anything wrong. If you would have done them in your favorite colors, it would have been fine with me. You do not have to design or decorate around me because that's why I gave Crafter's Choice the free will. So, number one. Number two, you could have sent a Memory Dex card and just a card, and that would have been enough. Do not feel bad that you cannot send more. That's not what this is about, okay? I love y'all, and I want each one of y'all to do your thing and what you can do. I'm not asking for anything other than just the requirements, the 2 requirements that I asked for, and that's it. No more. And it does not matter to me if you spent 50 cents to make it or if you spent $20 to make it. You took the time, and that's all that matters to me, okay? And I want all y'all to know that. I know I have been extremely blessed, but I have been extremely blessed from the smallest to the largest. I'm being honest with you. And I'm not seeing anything that's revealing anything else except for, holy moly, look at that. I know she did a VR and I would not peek. But oh my gosh, I love him. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. She's got the tulip here and it's all sparkly gold. And then you got the pastel. And I remember you had wanted, wasn't this the set that you had wanted? And somebody had gifted it to you. That's just such a blessing. Be merry. I love Santa. And of course, I love pink. So there you go. There's another one. I love gold too. Look, there's hardly any colors I don't just love. Like I said, if I had to pick a top couple, then it's going to be red, blue, burgundy, and pinks. Those are my top 3. So, as far as color goes, but I love it all. I even love blacks. I mean, I just love them. That is so pretty, and she's got it on this like snowflake, and then she's trimmed it out in this lace, like almost like a crocheted ribbon. And then it's got this, she's got to die for this, because I mean, that is just a gorgeous, gorgeous card. And of course, it's very sturdy, and her crafting is just exceptional. It just absolutely is. It always has been. Let me make sure there's nothing on the back. Okay, let's learn something about Miss Marilyn. Another birthday that shares the same month as one of my, actually my daughter and my granddaughter. My daughter's birthday is September the 5th. My granddaughter's birthday is September the 6th. So, okay. Let's see. Her date of birth is September the 6th. Her YouTube channel is SweetWartersCards. And I'm sure most of y'all know her, but also if you do not, y'all have got to check her out. She makes some of the most amazing cards. And she just, she's a beautiful, beautiful soul and a beautiful crafter. Her favorite color is pink mint green. Her style is shabby chic, Victorian. Her favorite $5 crafty item is stickles or glitterific. And she left me her address, and I love it. And there's the beautiful back. She put a pocket for her information, and I love it. Thank you, sweetheart. This card is gorgeous. Y'all got some serious talent going on. All these memory decks. I think mine are okay. I just think y'all are just also super talented. It's gorgeous. And look at that tag. And it's funny because I was just talking to Miss Sweet Rosita about how I love antique type things. And here you send me this. That is gorgeous, and it will get hung up in my craft room, and I love it. Look at all this gorgeous ribbons. I'm sorry, how can nobody like burgundy? Especially when it's paired with gold and lace, and look at that beautiful bow, and she's put like, I'm holding it down low enough, and she's put it on like this metal like filigree piece with the center flat back resin type flower. And then I just love this bow. And then she's got it with some burgundy ribbon, and then she's got this lace on top of it. And then you see the pearl beads and the gold and the burgundy and all these ribbons. And then she's got it on this, I want to say it almost looks like a paper fan background. And she's got it stamped, and she's got this cute little antique type little girl and the puppy with the little letter and the heart, the flowers and the bird, and then she's added these 3 beautiful embellishments, and then she's bottomed it with that. I'm sorry, girl. There is nothing for you to apologize. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And I could not thank you more. And here's the back. I wanted to make sure there wasn't nothing on it. Look at that gorgeous back. I love flowers. I love vintage. I love antique. I mean, I just love it all. I really do. And that is just so pretty. Girl, sweet, sweet Marilyn, thank you so much. Honestly, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. You did not have to send all this extra, but I'm glad you sent that one for sure. But no, I love it all, and I'm so thankful, and I'm so blessed for each and every one of y'all. And please, nobody feel bad about sending anything to me. Be thankful that you can, first of all, and also be thankful that you've made me smile, because that's all that y'all do. Every time I get an entry, I promise, it just makes me so happy that y'all thought about me. So thank you. Thank each and every one of you. And as I always say, I wish you the best.